Very good evening, everyone. And now we are going to discuss the first article of today's editorial session. That is nothing but lapsing into contempt. So, the head in this editorial article, we are going to discuss the vocabulary part, which is in this, and the words which are difficult to understand. And I'm going to give you the examples of each and every word. So, lapsing into contempt is the heading of the article. What is meant by contempt? Contempt is nothing but disdain, disrespect, disregard. For example, he rewarded their kindliness with hostility and contempt. Okay, finding Prashant Bhushan guilty of contempt reflects a low threshold for criticism. So, finding Prashant Bhushan guilty of contempt. So we discussed the meaning of contempt just now. Reflects a low threshold for criticism. What is meant by threshold? Doorstep, entrance, or entry. So already in the last article, I think. So like before today's article, we have discussed the meaning of threshold. Some entrance or doorstep or entry. For example, we are on the threshold of a new era. For example, next we'll go into the next sentence. The Supreme Court's order finding advocate Prashant Bhushan guilty of contempt of court reflects poorly on the institution tolerance of criticism. The Supreme Court's order. The order of the Supreme Court is finding advocate Prashant Bhushan guilty of contempt of court reflects poorly on the institution tolerance. Tolerance, I think you know the meaning of tolerance, right? Of criticism. So, like we are tolerating, like you are facing it. Okay. The judgment of a three-judge bench on the sumoto contempt proceedings against Mr. Bhushan hardly adds to the dignity and majesty of the court that it ostensibly set out to uphold. So, what are they saying is the judgment of a three judge bench on sumoto contempt proceedings against the judgments which are coming against Mr. Bhushan hardly adds to the dignity and majesty. What is meant by majesty? Impressive beauty, dignity, royal power, authority. For example, this music has majesty, power, and passion. Okay, it is unfortunate that two tweets and not any set of scandalous or scurrilous allegations have occasioned this heavy handed treatment. It is unfortunate. So, unfortunate, that two tweets and not any set of scandalous. Scandalous is nothing but disreputable, dishonorable, disgraceful, or shocking. For example, it's scandalous that we do so little to prevent homelessness. And next one is scurrilous. It's an adjective, okay? Abusive, derogatory, spreading scandalous claims. Okay. For example of scurrilous is the author made scurrilous remarks on the actor. Okay. And the next one, next sentence is allegations. I think every one of you know. So false statement without any proof, saying something without any proof. Okay, and the 108-page opinion that largely draws upon past judgments, delineating. Delineating is nothing but describe or portray, outline, depict. The boundary of the car park is delineated by a low brick wall, delineating the circumstances in which the court will act in aid of its institutional reputation and authority. There is little more than a perfunctory analysis leading to the finding that the tweets amount to criminal contempt. Okay, the first tweet in which an image of Chief Justice of India. Who is the Chief Justice of India? S.A. Bobde. So, Sharad Arvind Bobde. In an informal setting, has been used to make a critical remark that he was denying, means not accepting, citizens' recourse to justice for fundamental rights violations may be an exaggerated or even unwarranted view on the absence of physical hearing snuff. However, it is quite a stretch to say that it undermines the court's dignity, lowers its authority, or interferes with the administration of justice. At best, it touches partially on the CJI's personal conduct and partially on his administrative decision making. Okay, neither part brings with it any exceptional malice. So malevolent, some like root word mal. So all those meanings will be of negative. The meaning of them will be in negative manner. So malice is nothing but ill will, desire to harm someone, or animosity. There certainly wasn't any malice in her comments. Okay, and the next one is it any exceptional malice or scurrility. We already discussed the meaning of scurrility, warranting action for criminal contempt. It is precisely the sort of criticism that the judiciary ought to be able to shrug off. The second tweet, so they're explaining how the tweets had gone, how they had tweeted. So okay, because we have completed just now this first tweet, so now we are going to the second tweet. Okay, the second tweet in which Mr. Bhushan has blamed the court, more particularly the last four CJIs, for the destruction of democracy in the last 6 years, even without a formal emergency, requires no defense. It is clearly in the nature of a political opinion, be it with reference to the working of the institution or the four personages. What is meant by personages? You can call it as VIPs or celebrities, personality, or luminary. For example, the premier was attended by no less a personage than the president himself. Okay, who headed the judiciary during the period. It is difficult to agree that mere voicing of an opinion that successive CGIs have destroyed democracy would undermine public trust in the judiciary, especially in the backdrop of some former judges too holding sharply critical opinion of the conduct of some of them. In its nature, intent and sweep. Intent, what is the meaning of intent? Intention or purpose or determined to do, insistent, resolved. It was not his intent to hurt anyone. Mr. Bhushan's abrasive. Abrasive is nothing but capable or polishing or cleaning a hard surface, harsh, acerbic. For example, he can sometimes be abrasive in meetings. Okay, and the next one is Mr. Bhushan's abrasive animad version. Animad version is nothing but criticism or censure, a critical comment. Her actions attracted neither surprise or animadversion. Okay, of judicial conduct is no more discordant. Discordant is nothing but disagreeing or incongruous at all. For example, discordant opinions prevail even among good judges. Then a former CGI being accused by his colleagues of being under executive influence or misusing his power as master of the roster with a view to obtaining favorable outcomes. There is some inadvertent irony in the court's claims that allowing Mr. Bhushan's remarks to go unpunished would lower the country's image in the Committee of Nations. Inadvertent. What does inadvertent? It's nothing but without intention, unintentionally, or by accident. For example, we inadvertently threw away some of the recipe. The highest court built its stalwart fame on stellar judgments and record of fearless independence. Stellar judgments and stalwart fame. What is stalwart? Loyal, reliable, hardworking, staunch. Staunch. She has been a stalwart supporter of the party for many years. Stellar, relating to stars, extremely high standard. For example, he gave a stellar performance. If at all it falls in the estimation of the world now, it may only because of a growing perception of judicial evasion, self-imposed reticence, and quiet acquiescence in the face of executive power. What is reticence? Quality of being reserved, introversion, shyness. For example, his reticence about his past made them very suspicious, and acquiescence, consent, agreement, acceptance, mostly unwillingly. For example, the bank acquiesced to the extension of the loan. Okay, like our article is completed. I think every one of you understood the critical words which are present in this article. I thank every one of you for watching this video.